Okay, here's what we'll be doing tomorrow. This is the Falkirk Wheel. This is, if you look out, there's this little harbor here, and then the canal where the kelpies are over there. That's where we'll be coming in when we pick up the boat. And this is the tour boat going in right now. See if you can see the gate close. Don't know how long this takes, and I want to try to get the whole process. I've got the boat tied up. You can see that you could get two longboats in there. There's the trough up above. We can hear there's another boat up above. You probably can't hear, but you can hear them saying something up from up above. See if I can get you a picture of the mechanism. You can see how that whole thing is going to turn. Another thing that's hard to realize that's so cool about this is that if you look up there, that door is holding the water back from the trough up above. And you can see it's not even dripping a little bit. It's really an amazing mechanism. And now they've brought the door up on the bottom. There you go, they're sealing it off. When this thing starts to rotate, I'll go up front a little bit so you can see the actual trough rotating up. I hear lots of little bumps and crunches, but nothing's moving just yet. Alright, so now you can probably see that it's starting to move. The one on the bottom is coming up. I'm pretty sure it takes 12 minutes for it to rotate all the way. So I'm going to bring you over here so you can see this better. So now here's that bottom trough filled with water and the boat rotating down. And the top one This one's rotating up, the top one's rotating down. And here's the thing, look at how dry that end of that trough is. I don't know how they do that. It's not even dripping a little bit. I'll see if you can see the top one. That one is rotating down. It's a pretty amazing piece of engineering. And tomorrow, we're going to be able to experience it for ourselves. They call these tour boats Archimedes because the whole idea behind this thing is that with Archimedes' principle of water displacement, no matter how big the boat is, both of these troughs are going to always weigh exactly the same if you keep them filled with water, because a bigger boat will displace more water. So even if there's a big boat on one side, a little boat on the other side, it's going to always be perfectly balanced. So the amount of energy that it takes to actually turn this thing and lift one boat up and the other one down is really minimal. I forget how many watts it is, but I'm going to find that out. I'll put it in the post. So that one from the upper section is coming down into place, and that bottom one is headed up. Well, I'm going to let you guys fast forward this if you want to. I'm going to continue to run the whole thing. You can see the whole boat stays level. The whole trough stays level on those rollers because it's below on the bottom. And I'll tell you, there are no drips happening anywhere. That's the amazing part of this for me. If you've ever tried to dam anything off, you know how impossible it is to keep water contained. Alright, so this one is coming down to the level here now. It's almost... That's the tour boat from up above. And now the tour boat that was down here is now in the upper part of the canal. So you avoid quite a few locks by going through the wheel. You can barely hear this thing. It's not like there's a big diesel engine running this thing. You can barely hear it. I'm just going to show a detail here for you. There's that one coming down into place. It's moving ever so slightly. I assume when it locks into place, And you can hear the water. I think that's the water rushing in between the two walls, the one maintaining the bay and the one maintaining the trough. Just trying to let you see when those walls drop down. Okay, there goes the one on the bay side and the one on the trough side. There's no stress or rushing or anything. It's all level water. And then this boat that was in that upper canal just untying it. Oh, there was a canal boat on the upper section too. Didn't even see him behind the tour boat. And they just come right out into the and that's Black Prince, just like our boat. In fact, that's, I think, exactly like our boat. But that's Yasmin. And that's it. That is the Falkirk Wheel.